I'll show you a set of microphones. For those who do vlogging, shooting TikTok in general is shooting content in general. Content creation. The content creators are... This is the J13 microphone. Your neighbor. Why did I fool you? Because it has a price that can't be cheaper. It couldn't be more wonderful. With more than 200,000 we can. This microphone includes 2 hands. These 2 TXs, people. It's made of plastic and there's a 30mm battery inside. An RX, this is equal to this. And there's a lightning foot, used for other iPhones. And now people are listening to the recorded sound from this J13 microphone because I'm showing it to everyone, for people to refer to at a price of over 200,000. What's the sound people hear? It has 3 noise filtering modes. This is the #1 noise filtering mode. Press 1 more and we'll switch to the second noise mode. In this second mode, the noise around it has been reduced by about 45 to 10%. And press 1 more time. We're going to go into 3rd row mode. In this 3rd threading mode, it's completely... The sound outside will no longer be heard. Just focus on your own voice. But I like the voice. That's the #1 level because this level is listening. It's very natural. And now we're together. Test its distance. Let's go back to this position. It's about 1 meter. Hello, can you hear me? Then, for those who shoot content, the distance... Well, it's not good to be too far, because then you'll no longer see people's faces. And now I'm back again, Maybe it's from me to a... This camera was also... range. It's 10 meters, guys. Back away. It must be 15 meters. And go to the end of the road. I don't know if I can hear it. Now, even its sound, everybody check it out. Is it still the same or not? Or it's degraded? So this is a very important thing. Let's choose the microphone. For me, the price is just over 200. 200 sometimes above, when above, when below 200. Well, people judge it. Is this pair worth the money to go down? Is it worth our money to buy? It's about 30 meters now, guys. 30 meter range, 30 meters. Who I need to care? This is the MicroSim 13. Can refer to... I have a link in the description, everyone. If you want to buy it, you can click it. To let it to buy about... I put this link in TikTok. It's extremely cheap. With the content creators. At first we didn't have one. It costs money to buy expensive microphones. This Zingba is a reasonable choice.